How to turn off location tracking in Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the location tracking in Uber Eats. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And after that, just tap on manage apps. And here on the new page, you'll see the list of all the apps that's installed on your device. So you can simply scroll through the apps, or you can just tap on the search bar at the top and you can simply search for Uber Eats. Now here, simply tap on the Uber Eats from the search result, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the app settings. Now here, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as app permissions. So simply tap on it. And now here, inside this section, you simply have to tap on location. So here, as you can see, it's allowed right now. So to turn off the location tracking in Uber Eats, just tap on don't allow, and after that, your location tracking will be disabled in Uber Eats. And that's it. That's how you can turn off location tracking in Uber Eats. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.